I'm Randy and I make candy, and today I'm making soft caramel filling. Stick around. Greetings, my confectionery compadres, and welcome to Randy Makes Candy, where I help you make tasty treats that people love to eat. In the Scotchmallow episode, I showed you how to make a soft caramel that we used for a filling along with the marshmallow. I got to thinking that we're going to be using that same soft caramel filling in some other recipes, so maybe I should do a fun size episode where I just showed you how to make the filling. That way it'll be easy to find when you need it in the future. So without further ado, soft caramel filling. In a small pan over medium heat, add 200 grams of sweetened condensed milk and 1/4 cup of butter. Stir until the butter has melted. Then add 15 Kraft caramels and turn the heat to medium-low. Stir this continuously so the caramels don't burn. When the caramels are fully melted, pour the mixture into some jars and set them aside to cool. And that's it. Now, if you ever need to make a soft caramel filling, you know just where to look for help. Thanks for sticking around, and I hope you'll join me next time.